The app called Candy Chat AI Character Chat, Spicy AI Bot, Fantasy Roleplay. So explore, chat with AI characters, have fun, be friends, or even more. Talk about any topic, go roleplay, bring your imagination to life. Dive into a world of diverse AI characters where your imagination is the limit. Create stories, form bonds, and experience unique interactions. Spark your creativity. Discover AI personalities, and here is the app. One of the alternatives for these AI apps. Then you can just go and continue in here, and then which gender you want to talk to, and then you create an account. Yearly access $100 per year, monthly access $30 per month. Then you have all these different accounts which you can just go and talk to. You can select different modes in here. Then you can just report it. Then there are some referrals. Then you can just search. Then there are messages. You can just swipe to delete messages. Then there is your account. You can also create characters. So there's pure mode. I don't know what that is. And then upgrade, you can upgrade in here. So very basic app. It's not that advanced as like Talkie AI or Character AI. It's kind of like a basic app in here. So yeah, that's what you have. And try it out. If you're looking for some AI character chatting app, this can be a good candidate.